Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the canvas so measurements stay consistent. Create a frame, for example 800 by 400, then enable rulers and a light grid so alignment is reliable. Draw your X and Y axes as thin 1px lines and add tick marks at even intervals. Once done, label those ticks with units and numeric values. This makes the later plotting accurate and explains the data to viewers. Now you convert numbers into visuals by plotting each data point according to the scale you set. Place small circular markers or squares for clarity, then use the pen or vector tool to connect them. Choose straight joins for precision or smooth curves for trend emphasis. Make markers into reusable components so edits propagate. Use auto layout for labels and grouped elements. If you have many points, consider a plugin to import CSV data so you avoid manual plotting. Finish by styling your chart to communicate hierarchy. Pick color for the line, adjust stroke weight, and add an area fill if needed. Place a concise title, axis labels, and a legend so viewers immediately understand the data. When ready, export as SVG for scalability or PNG for quick use, and export at 1x or 2x depending on needs. If something looks off, check constraints, layer order, and that snapping or grid setting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.